how to remove vocals from a song for free. I will show you 2 ways, 2 websites right now for free in less than 5 minutes. Let's do it.
Martin Doss.
Welcome back. If it's your first time on my channel, my name is DJ Martin Doss, dancehall and reggae DJ in NYC. I share a lot of awesome tutorials and a lot of fun stuff on the side, DJing and stuff like that. So you're welcome. Subscribe to the channel and be a part of the Doss Them Nation, because you don't know, we're going places slowly but surely. All right. So the first website we are going to use is called Spleeter.ai, not .com, Spleeter.ai. And once you go on this website, pretty straightforward. You have 5 stems up here, 2 stems. So 5 stems if you pretty much want, like, you know, the instruments of the track, like the drums separated from the, you know, musical instruments and the vocals, right? So it tells you right here, if you hover over it, drums, bass, and piano, other, and vocals. And down here is just the instrument and the vocals of the track, right? Scrolling down to the bottom, as I tell you before, it's absolutely free. So don't worry about that. It's absolutely free. You don't have to register. All they ask for is a donation if you want to donate, okay? So to add a track, hit drop here, okay? And then let me go to my downloads. This artist is Krave Exposure. Add the track. When you add the track, it, you know, gives you a quick rundown as to what it's doing. We're working on your track. So if you notice, it actually prompts us to enter an email address. If you are late on entering the email address, don't worry about that. Just hit my uploads. Once you hit my uploads, it shows you the history, right? You hit download, it downloads it right away. So as I said before, you don't have to enter an email address if you don't want to. So let's listen to this track to see what we're working with, so we know, you know, when we pull the acapella and the drums, what we're supposed to be getting, and see how great it is. Hit play. Krave Exposure.
Yo, whip it, cook it up, chop, bag and ship it to the block. Anyway, me a set up shop. Gangster, no take tough shot.
All right, so that's the actual song right there. So let's hear what it did with the track. All right, so the bass of the track. So that's the bass, okay? That's the bass of the track. Let's go to the drums. That's the drums of the track. Other. You see what I want? You see what I want? Alright. Links to this track is down in the description. You can try it for yourself. Piano. So, right there, if you want to make a karaoke song, you can do it real quick. Vocals. This is the vocals of the track now.
Yo, whip it, cook it up, chop, bag and ship it to the block. Anyway, me a set up shop. Gangster, no take love chat. What? Whip it, cook it up, chop, bag and ship it to the block. Anyway, me a set up shop. Gangster, no take love chat. Me flip your rock, me make you rock, me say me lead the park. Set up shop on any block, and that's a fact. Tough chat, you must be mad, yo. That's where that from me here, drum a beat, and you know, pan and that me hustle hard every day.
So that right there is Spleeter. Let's go into the other website real quick. Now the other website we are going to use is www.moises.ai. That's the way it pronounces. And it brings you to this page. Okay. Now with Moises, you actually get 5 uploads per month, duration 5 minutes, file store for 3 days, MP3 download, right? And then you have the premium plan, gives you unlimited uploads, extended 20 minutes option, And, you could go through and pretty much make a comparison as to what you get with Moises. But for $3 and 33 cents US, I think that is pretty reasonable for the job it is doing. If you want more, acapellas or more stems, or, if you're a producer and you want to just get something, just the drums from a certain track to use it, listen, there you go. But the advantage to Moises is you can also, put a link to a track, like say from YouTube. That's phenomenal. You understand? So if you have your favorite YouTube song, you can put it into Moises. So you also have track separation and mastering, okay? That mastering better version. So let's go to track. Let's try a YouTube track, okay? So let me open a new tab here and let me type in YouTube and let me go for Krave exposure. Once again. All right, so here is Krave exposure. Which song? Let me go for You Got It. Okay, so we're going to try a link this time opposed to me uploading from my computer. So let's try a link. Paste. Okay, it gives you the option down here, type of extraction for this request. It says same thing, 2 stems, 5, 4. But if you need 5 stems, like the vocals, bass, drums, you might have to pay for that one or upgrade. So let's go for vocals, bass, and drums. Just let's go for 4. Submit. Once you submit, so now it puts you in a download queue. So we just have to wait and see how long it take. Okay, I'll let you know how long it take. We're going to pause the video and come back. So there you have it. That actually took roughly 4 minutes. So Moises takes a little bit longer than Spleeter. But it gives you the download button right here also. And it also emails you the track because you have to sign up for this site actually. So hit download. When you hit the download, it gives you the option to download vocals, drums, bass, and other. So let's listen. You Got It. Let's take a listen to You Got It so we know how the acapella is supposed to sound.
Exposure. I mean, the girl them still loaded over. You got it. Wind up your body, girl. You
Dancer artist Krave Exposure. Make sure you follow his channel. Listen to his music, alright? Okay, so that's how the acapella is supposed to sound. Now, let's click vocals. Okay.
Baby, give you one more chance. Say you got it. Wind up your body, girl. You got it.
Okay. That's the acapella. Hit save as. You right click on it. Hit save as. Okay. And you can name this. Okay, and just save it to download. So right there, you saved the vocals. Let's go back for the drums. Let's listen to the drums. I'm hearing a little bit of artifacts there. So it's not that clean as Spleeter. So you pretty much get the drift of this website, Moises. It gets the job done, but I truly think that Spleeter is a better website. Okay? So there you have it. Some truly awesome ways to get your acapella or drums or anything from your favorite song to make a karaoke, to make a remix, to just mess around musically. You know what I mean? This feature is in Virtual DJ. I would list a video up in the screen right here. So if you want to see it in Virtual DJ, I have a video with that also. So there you have it. I hope this information will help you a lot in getting your vocals removed from your favorite songs. All right? With that being said, you don't know Martin does, so I urge you, subscribe to the channel as a whole heap of thing are going, all right? A lot of tutorials and a lot of entertaining stuff. So just subscribe. Hit the like button if you enjoy the content. If you didn't enjoy the content, hit the like button too. Yo. See? So that being said, Martin Dust, thank you for watching. Thank you for being a part of the Dust Them Nation. And catch you next time.